Good evening, my friends. Great day to all of you. So, friends, I've got awesome news. President Biden is making huge progress. More and more state governors have finally agreed to invest billions of dollars towards new crisis relief programs in their state. Checks worth up to $1,500 will begin arriving in many Americans' pockets. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, to say thank you for watching every day, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
I believe America is at a genuine inflection point. It occurs every 6 or 7 generations in world history. One of the moments that changes everything. And Americans are going to have to choose. You must choose. Will we be a country that moves forward or backward? Will we build a future or obsess over the past? Will we be a nation of unity, of hope, of optimism, not a nation of anger, violence, hatred, and division? Trump and the extreme MAGA Republicans have made their choice to go backwards, full of anger, violence, hate, and division. But we've chosen a different path. Forward, the future, unity, hope, and optimism. I mean this sincerely. We choose to build a better America. This fall, there'll be a choice.
California Governor Gavin Newsom's office announced that more than half of California's residents may soon receive a stimulus check from the state. It is part of an inflation relief package worth $17 billion. An estimated 23 million eligible Californians will receive payments totaling up to $1,050 for joint filers with at least one dependent. Californians will receive this check later this fall. The relief package will be paid for by a record-setting $97 billion state budget surplus. Governor Newsom wrote in a Twitter post, "That is more money in your pocket to help you fill your gas tank and put food on the table." Eligibility will depend on how much money each California resident earns, as well as how many dependents they have. If either single or joint filers have at least one dependent, they will receive an additional amount of either $350, $250, or $200. The package will also include a suspension of the state sales tax on diesel and additional funds to help people pay for their rent and utility bills. These funds will go towards securing additional power generating capacity for the summer, accelerating clean energy in the future, and expanding the ability to prepare for and respond to severe wildfires. Billions of dollars will go towards additional funding for universal preschool and free school meals. In a joint statement, Governor Newsom, Senate Pro Tem Tony Atkins, and Assembly Speaker Anthony Rendon said, "California's budget addresses the state's most pressing needs and prioritizes getting dollars back into the pockets of millions of Californians who are grappling with global inflation and rising prices of everything from gas to groceries." Governor Newsom's administration also told reporters direct deposit or debit card recipients could see the payments by late October. The Franchise Tax Board estimates all rebates could be issued by the end of this year or by early next year. Newsom's administration said it plans to provide local governments with $439 million to backfill funds for road projects and transportation that would be provided by the tax. So friends, this is great news for those of you that reside in California. After hitting a record low in July, President Biden's job approval rating is up 6 percentage points to 44%, his highest in a year. While the uptick represents a significant improvement on the heels of several policy successes for President Biden, he still remains underwater overall, with 53% of Americans disapproving of his job performance. The increase in Biden's job rating is largely buoyed by political independents, whose approval rose from 31% last month to the current 40%. Although high inflation and recession fears continue to impact the nation, there has been some recent positive economic news, with average gas prices falling below $4 per gallon, a better-than-expected jobs report, and a slight decline in the inflation rate. The poll was completed just before President Biden announced his student loan forgiveness plan that would cut debt for millions of Americans. So friends, what are your thoughts about all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Victoria, Canada. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Victoria, Canada, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, who last year reassured Americans that high inflation would likely be temporary, is expected to announce this week that the fight against spiking prices is far from over. Jerome Powell's optimistic words at a conference in 2021 were followed by the biggest sustained surge in prices that the U.S. has seen in 4 decades. And since then, he has shifted gears and sharply stressed the Fed's commitment to stop high inflation by jacking up interest rates. But many investors think that the Fed might blink before then, and already expecting the central bank to begin lowering borrowing costs later next year as a possible recession looms. That has led market rates to fall and stock prices to rise from their June depths, the exact opposite of what the central bank wants to see, as it aims to slow spending and investment. Well, my fantastic and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly and truly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos. Please stay tuned because in a video later today, I'll be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed evening.